Hi there. Welcome to English for Emerson. This is a series of videos that I put together for my son who's growing up in a country where English is not spoken as a first language. So this is a series of videos tailored mostly for kids who might not have the chance to speak English as a first language. We're going to do some basic reading and writing skills in English and try to take it slow and easy and learn as we go. So in my previous videos, I covered the ABCs and also the long A sound, A, and the short A sound, A. And now we're going to do a different A sound that doesn't happen very often in English, but you do see it from time to time, and that is going to be the sound, Let's try making these sounds with our mouth. A. You kind of have to put your tongue up a little bit in your mouth. A. Now let's try the A sound. A. You put your tongue a little bit down toward the bottom of your mouth when you make the A sound. A. And now let's try the sound. Your tongue is sort of relaxed. It's not down at the bottom. It's not way up at the top. It's just in the middle. Let's try it again. Let's take a look at the board here with the letter A. The letter A has two forms. It has a capital and it has a lowercase. We're going to be using both. This particular use of the A letter, the sound, is going to sound a lot like the letter U in the word up. Right here. U-P. Up. 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 That sound is going to be what we're saying today when we use the letter A. Now let's take a look at these words here on the second line down. Notice that I'm going to have the A in red here with the capital and here at the end. When it's red, it's going to make the sound When it is purple, it's going to make a different sound. Let's try the first word here. Alaska. 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 That's a state in America. Alaska. Let's try the next word here. B-A-N-A-N-A. This purple A, again, is going to make the sound, the short A. The other red A's are going to make the sound banana. Banana. Let's try them again from this side. Alaska, banana. Alaska, banana. It's very confusing in English because there's no rules. The A can make many different sounds in English, not just one. These words here, the A's are going to make the sound like in the word up. Let's try the first one here. This is going to be a W-A-S. That makes the word was. You might think that it would make the word was, but we don't have that word in English. A lot of times in English, believe it or not, the S can make the sound Z, 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 was. Alaska was one of the last countries, or one of the last states to be incorporated into America. Alaska was one of the last states to be incorporated into the country of America. Was. Let's try the next one down. W-H-A-T. What? What are you doing? You are learning English. What? The A here makes the sound like an up. What? Now we've got a couple of words down here using the A, the capital A at the beginning. Let's try this. A-L-O-N-E. Alone. Alone. The girl was all alone and she started to cry. Let's try this one. Last word. A-B-O-V-E. Above. The clouds are above the earth. The sun is above the clouds. It's something above means something is on top of something else. Above. Isn't this a strange thing here? English is a tough language to read. This A makes the sound and this O makes the sound Both, they make the sound like in the word up. Above. It would have been nice when someone, whoever created the English language, would have kept things consistent and would have always made each letter sound like one sound, but they did not do it that way. I think that the reason for that is that English is not a pure language. It's a language that is made up of probably several different languages. It's what you'd call a mutt, kind of like a dog that is not pure. It is made up of a bunch of different kind of breeds of dog. It's a mutt. English is kind of a mutt language. That's not a very nice thing to say, but it's the truth. Let's go through and read these words again and practice saying these sounds of A, which are going to be the sound. Here we go. Alaska, Alaska. Banana, banana. Was, what? Alone, above. One more time. Alaska, banana. Was, what? Alone, above. The thing about English is that a lot of it is memorization. The more that you practice, the more you'll start to recognize what the words look like instead of trying to logically figure out what they say based on what the letters are. It's very difficult to sound out words in English. It's much easier to just practice and memorize them. The next time we do a lesson, we'll try A sounds that make the sound aw. Okay? So that's it for this video of English for Emerson. See you next time. Bye-bye.